Hi friends, welcome to Mini's Taste Buds. You might be wondering what this is. This is actually rose apples, and previously I had shown you how to make juice. Today I am going to show you how to make pickle of this. So ingredients that we will be needing, I'll be showing it as and when it comes. But the main ingredient is rose apple. Then we have got garlic chopped into lengthwise juliennes. This is fenugreek powder. We need 2 tablespoons. Then it is curry leaves, and we have got asafoetida. We need more of it. And then we have got juliennes of ginger. So we will need more of the other things also, that is salt, then turmeric powder and chili powder. I have taken a bigger wok. Now I am going to pour oil into it. You need plenty of oil. Okay, we are going to roast this asafoetida, and we'll be grinding it. When we are roasting it, it turns a little bit bigger and becomes crispy also. Okay, now this is almost done. Another couple of minutes and it will be fully roasted. Okay, this is done. We are removing it now. We have to splatter mustard seeds. Next, we have to put ginger juliennes and fry it. First goes garlic. Then goes curry leaves. We have to fry it till all the water content gets evaporated. The color has started changing and the water is also almost evaporated. We'll have to stir it till almost all the bubbles go. It's still bubbling. That means the water content is still there. We have to stir till the bubbles stop. This asafoetida, we are going to make it into powder. It's done now. The color has changed into light brown. So we are going to add salt now. Salt also you can add plenty. I'll not say the measurement, because if salt is not there, your pickle will not survive for a longer time. So even the salt content has got water in it. Half a tablespoon turmeric powder. Thus here goes the chili powder. Five to 6 tablespoons. This is fenugreek powder. I need to put the whole thing. This is asafoetida, which we have crushed it. Now mix all well. We have to stir it, keeping the flame low, because this rose apple has to be cooked thoroughly. Now it's just raw. Once you stir it continuously, it will start cooking. Never keep the flame high, or else it will be burnt actually. Even if we are stirring it, we will not be able to stir it properly. So keep the flame on low heat, low flame or medium flame. Low flame will be better. The rose apple has started leaving the water, and in this water it has to get cooked. It's 50% done. I have to stir it more. We have added no other water, but the water of the rose apple will start releasing when it's cooked. It's 50% done. Another 10-15 minutes more. I'm going to switch off the gas now. See, when we started cooking it, when we had put the rose apples inside, there was not a single drop of water, only oil was there. Now see, the water has released, the rose apple is almost done. I'm going to switch off the gas now. Once it cools, you have to shift it in a glass container. Don't keep it in the plastic one, keep it in a glass container. Or you will get those China clay jars. Typical Keralite jars are the China clay with top painted in yellowish color. You can keep it in that. So I hope you all will try this. Do try. Send me the review. And these are very tasty ones. So as I said, cooking is an art. Cook it with love. Eat it with love. Serve it with love. Serve it with a smile. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share, comment and subscribe. Do not forget the bell icon. Jai Hind.